Today in Alabama builds a home, and you can help design it. Vote on your favorite floor plan, appliances, and more. It's easy. Just log on to WSFA.com and see the selections now through July. See the construction live on Today in Alabama. The Montgomery Area Food Bank and Brantwood Children's Home receive their profits in the sale. Watch the dream come to life. Today in Alabama builds a home with Aronoff Homes. Ow!
You watched as Today in Alabama broke ground on our Builds a Home project.
The home will be built in the Deer Creek subdivision, and you, the viewers, get to help design it. From the floor plans to the color scheme to the appliances, you'll decide what goes into the home. Just log on to WSFA.com. We've made the process really easy for you. You'll find the Today in Alabama Builds a Home logo on our homepage. And happy voting.
The first thing you got to choose was, of course, the elevation and floor plan.
You can still vote on the brick and exterior colors in Today in Alabama Builds a Home with Aronoff Homes.
We'll have 3 choices to choose from, and here's a look at them.
It's shocking how many people are voting on this thing.
Right now, we're voting on the interior colors and flooring. As you can tell, there are 3 great packages to choose from.
We were going to add some curb appeal to our house over in Deer Creek.
Voting on the landscaping for Today in Alabama Builds a Home with Aronoff Homes.
Today in Alabama builds a home with Aronoff Homes.
And Aronoff Homes.
With Aronoff Homes.
With Aronoff Homes.
Aronoff Homes. Aronoff Homes.
Aronoff Homes.
With Aronoff Homes.
Aronoff.
Aronoff.
And Aronoff.
Aronoff.
And don't forget, you're helping out 2 charities here. Proceeds from the sale of the home go to the Montgomery Area Food Bank and Brantwood Children's Home.
Park Hinman, who's executive director of the Montgomery Area Food Bank.
The last couple of years, it's been a lot more difficult to get food and money to finance our operation. So this is really going to help us out at a critical time.
Ed Montoya, executive director of Brantwood Children's Home.
We've had significant cutbacks, and this is a real blessing for us.
We're hoping to raise hopefully around $20,000 to $30,000 from the sale of the home.
Another way 1 or 2 of you can help out is by buying the home.
And Today in Alabama Builds a Home with Aronoff Homes.
With Aronoff Homes.
Aronoff Homes.
Aronoff Homes.
Aronoff Homes.
Aronoff Homes.
Aronoff. 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 Aronoff with Aronoff Homes. Well, it worked out way better than I ever expected, because we expected to have a certain amount of money to give to charities. Of course, that was 2-3 times what we ended up giving them.
This first check is to the Montgomery Area Food Bank for $30,000. Yes. You got another one for Brantwood for $30,000.
This came at a time when we had our funding cut by the state, and this fills a hole that I just can't even express how thrilled we are for what WSFA and Aronoff have done for us.
Part of our mission statement is coverage, community, and commitment, and we handled all of that, because during our coverage we allowed our viewers to take part in this, and we were committed to this project from the beginning. And it was all about the community, because this is a beautiful community. We're adding a family to it, and we've helped our community with the charity. So it's just been a wonderful project all the way around. I'd do it all over again. In fact, I hope we do. I really hope we do it again.